Welcome to the channel. In this episode, I'll show you a way to make your future seasonal tire changes super easy. These are the basic tools we'll be using for this. You can use the jack from your car, torque wrench, some wheel chock, some anti-seize, and a wire brush. You could also use an impact wrench, but I want to show that you can do this with the basic equipment. First thing you want to do is engage the parking brake. Since we're changing both rear tires today, we're going to chock both front wheels. And then with the car still on the ground, we want to loosen up those lug nuts. Then in your owner's manual, you want to find the safe jack points for your vehicle. And then we're going to jack the car up. Once we have it jacked up, we're going to remove the lug nuts. With the tire off, grab your wire brush. Start cleaning up the mating surface of your brake drum or brake rotors. We just want a nice clean surface to put the anti-seize on. Then once you're happy with this, just take a cloth, wipe off the surface, get any loose debris off, and start applying your anti-seize. Just put a nice coat on here. Want to make sure you don't get any on the threads. If you do, you can just wipe it off though. With the anti-seize on, let's move over to the wheel and let's get the mating surface cleaned up with our wire brush. And we're getting to the point where we're almost done here. Get the wheel back on. Then we'll start putting the lug nuts back on. We just want to hand tighten here. You don't want to tighten it completely until the vehicle's back on the ground. With the lug nuts hand tightened, time to lower the car. Grab the torque wrench and start finishing up the tightening of your lug nuts. Oh, this is a good time to mention too, when you are tightening the lug nuts, your owner's manual will tell you the pattern to use. So just check that to make sure you're doing it correctly. Also, when you reach the correct torque, you'll hear a little click in the torque wrench. And then you check your driver's side door sticker, find out what your tires have to be inflated to, and just make sure that you get them inflated to the correct amount. And then you're ready to go for another season. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to take care out there.